Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's series, we'll be looking at blurring type on any texture. This is a kind of effect I mean to achieve. Where you burn text on any surface, and it also follows the contours of the texture of the surface. As you can see, the owl is bedding to the surface texture, the clerks, and other textures. What we applied here is a displacement map, and bevel and emboss. This effect can be applied on any surface. As you can see, I've applied the same effect on corrugated cardboard. The same effect is applied on lino hide. The same effect is applied on cowhide or leather. Let me show you how exactly this is done. Here we are, starting on a clean slate. What we need to do to get started is first create a displacement map. A displacement map is a layer that beds text in Photoshop using its luminance information. Go to Lock Layer, right click, Duplicate Layer, under Document, Set New. Let's call it Lock Displacement. Click OK. The most important step is to flatten the layer. For you to apply the displacement filter, right click, flatten image. From there, save it as a PSD for the displacement filter to work on it. Since the displacement filter cannot be applied on live text, convert the text to smart object. Right click, convert smart object. Go to Filter, Distort, Displacement. The numbers that I have found to work well on horizontal scales are 5 and vertical scale 5. Leave the rest as they are. Click OK. Choose your displacement layer. Click on Open. As you can see, the edges of the brand are following the contour of the texture of the surface. There have been quite some rugged edges. To soften that, apply the Gaussian filter. Go to Blur, Gaussian Blur. Apply a minimum radius like 0.7. Click OK. As you can see, now we have smooth edges. Now we are ready to burn the text on the surface. Since you cannot apply the burn effect on smart object, we have to create a new static layer. Hold Ctrl, Command on a Mac, click on the smart object layer, hide it, click on your texture layer, Ctrl Alt J on PC, Command Option J on Mac. Let's call the layer burn type. Pick your burn tool, hit on the light bracket, make the size bigger, brush over your text until you see such an effect. Go back to layers, change the blending mode to multiply, apply bevel and emboss, go to effects, bevel and emboss. Under style, choose emboss, technique smooth, depth 100%, direction down, size 4, angle 120. Also check use global light, altitude 30, gross contour you can use lean, check anti-aliased. Under highlight, choose linear dodge, push the opacity to 100%. On highlights and shadows, also push the opacity to 100%. Under shadow mode, choose multiply. The hue, let's change it to a hue of 15, saturation of 100, and brightness of 15. Click OK, and that's it. Our text is completely burned on the surface. That's it for today. like, share, and consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on our upcoming episodes.